Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is probably going to be kind of a short one because as you can tell I don't have any makeup on. I did my brows, I put on some lip gloss. Probably shouldn't have put the lip gloss on, but anyway. We are going to be testing out these. I think I'm going to do a series of I've been influenced because I saw Brittany Vassar said these were the bomb. I got them on Amazon. And these are self-adhesive cluster lashes. So that is what we're testing out today. I have my lashes on, all but one little section right here that came off. I use these Ardell, which I don't have the box anymore because I threw it away. Naked lashes in 421. These are my favorites. And I will cut off like 4 or 5 off the end, and then I cut them into 3 pieces. So that's what's missing here. This one outside piece, which is the smallest piece. So you can't really tell it that much, but I will zoom in. I'm going to do this with my editing, so you won't be able to see it. But anyways, I will zoom in and show you that this one, and then I'm going to leave this one on. Even though I need to change it, it's still in pretty good shape. So I'm going to leave this one on so that we can compare after I take this one off and we test out these new ones, can compare if I like them as good as the ones I've been using for a very long time that I really love. If these are as good, because this would be so much easier. They're pre-cut, they're pre-glued. She did say if you want them to last longer to double glue and put, like I always do, put glue on the lash and then on the thing, on the fake lash. Of course I'm not going to put it on the fake lash because they have pre-glued, but I will go ahead and put a band and glue on my lash because I want them to last 2 weeks pretty much. So we shall see. But I want to see if they look as good as these naked lashes do. So I'm going to go take these off on just this eye and I'll be back and we will test out these Amazon lashes. I think that these lashes, I think she said you can get 4 sets out of them, but I'm sure it depends on how many you use, and if you use, you know, mostly all the medium ones and the short ones, or the medium ones and the long ones, you're gonna get less. But she said 4 out of here, and you get 4 sets in here. And I think I pay about 12 bucks for these, and I think these are 12. I'll look it up when I go take this lash off, and I'll come back and let you know. So I'll be right back. It's all off. Oh, I forgot to take my glasses off. I will have to use those during parts of this when I put on, well, maybe not, because I don't have to cut them and I don't have to put the glue on them. I may be able to do this without my glasses the whole time. Anyway, so I have nothing on this. I washed off all the glue and everything, and this one is still on. And I will show you up close one more time what it looks like with none and with the kind I always wear, the naked lashes from Ardell. And so this is what we're going to use. These are the Quuewel self-adhesive cluster lashes, and they include the tweezers. And this is, you get this is how many you get. 32 clusters is what it said, and it comes with the tweezers. I am going to curl my lash a little bit just so that it makes it easier. I also dye my lashes black, so you'll notice when I do go in close that they're really black, but they're not really that black. They just are because I dyed them. And when you dye them, or when I dye them, the dye lasts longer than like 2 weeks. The lash, how long the lashes stay on. The glue only lasts probably not even 2 weeks. I just push it that far. And the dye lasts like at least 4 to 6 weeks before I have to dye them again. And then I'm going to use this. This is the glue I got on Amazon too. And I don't know that I like this glue as much as the glue I normally use for my other lashes. Actually, I use both of them because this is from Kiss, and it's Super Stronghold, and I know you can get it at Walmart now too. I used to only get it on Amazon. I'll link them all, but I'm going to probably only link the Amazon one for that, but you can look at your Walmart because I buy multi-packs. Anyways, this one is called Lash Adhesive by LINX LINX. And I liked it because it has this tiny, tiny little spoolie that you can bend, which I have already bent. See how I bent it? So that I can just go like this and then put a line of glue across the bottom of my lashes, because I don't want it to go all the way up my lash. I just want it on the bottom. Anyways, I'm just going to put this extra hold because I want them to last for so really long time. Lash line, and then I'm going to go back with a pointy Q-tip and get it off my waterline, the ones that come with the flat end and the pointy end, and I'm just going to run this across my waterline for any that I got on there, and I always get some on there. So then we're going to grab one of the long clusters, and these go on underneath just like my other ones. So I've got one, so I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to, I have to look over here, so hopefully you guys will be able to see. And I'm just going to set it on there, and I do not put it all the way to the end. I just put it almost to the end, because if I put it to the end, it makes my eye look like it's going downward, and I don't want that. So that's pretty long. I'm going to put another long one on the, and I'm starting from the outside, and I'm just going to put it right next to it. So far these are so easy. I love them. Whether they stay on, I don't know. Now I'm going to go with a medium one. I really need to read what it says about the lengths. Okay, it says 16 millimeter, that's what I just put on. There's 2 rows of 14s, which are mediums, and 1 row of 12s, which are the shorter ones. So I put 2 long ones. I probably should have put 1 long one and 2 medium ones and a short one. Maybe I'll take that long one off. Put 2 mediums and a short one. Nope, I don't want to take it off. I don't want to start messing with it. This is a medium one. I'm telling you right now, these are going on like a dream. And now I'm going to put a short one, because I don't like to go all the way in either, just because they bug me on the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in and smush them down just a little bit. Yeah, I think I should have not used the long ones. I mean, they're okay, they're pretty dramatic. Let's just look at them with my glasses on so I can see. They're huge compared to these, my natural ones. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in and you tell me what you think. They're super long. I can feel them touching the up here. I think when I do this one, I'm going to put like 2 mediums and 2 smalls, because there was 4. I put 2 larges, 1 medium, 1 small. So on this one, I'm going to go do this one in a minute and take these off. But I wanted you to see the difference, because I don't know if I like them yet, because I can feel them touching my lids. I mean my eye, you know, up here. Which, I don't know. It's just drama, right? I mean, they'd be great for an evening out if I ever did that. Anyway, I'm going to go take these off, and then I'll come back and we'll try the other eye with the shorter ones and see how we like it. Did you guys notice my tattoo? It's not a real tattoo. Can you see it? See the dragons? Oops. It's 3 dragons. I don't know how to make it so you can see it. Oops. Never mind. Anyways, it's henna. My granddaughter, when I was in California, freehanded these for me, and she did a great job. So when I got back, they only last like a week before they fade. So when I got back, I bought some of the, it's called Hagwa, the black, instead of the henna that's brown red. This is black blue. So I just kind of traced over what she had done, so I put them back on. But I also, when I was doing this one here, I did this one first because I knew I didn't want to touch it, and then when I went to do this one, I had to go like this for this wing, and I touched it right there, so I got some down there. But other than that, they're so cool. I love them. I would never get a real tattoo though, just so you know, because I change my mind all the time, and it's like, yeah, today I like dragons. Actually, I always like dragons, but I don't know that I always want them on my skin, so I don't like anything like that that's permanent. But a week, I could do it for a week or 2 weeks. All right, I'll be back in a second, and we'll try the shorter ones on the other eye. I don't know. They're okay, but I think I still like my other ones better. I love the ease of them. So if you guys like the looks of them, they're way easier. But I don't know, it's like they're so flat and straight. Like not as good as my other ones. I'm sorry, but I don't like them as well. You tell me. I'm gonna have to fix that one because it's actually, it looks better than the other one, even though it's long. What do you guys think? I need comments on this because it was so easy, but I don't think it looks as, it definitely doesn't look as good as my natural, my naked ones, huh? You guys tell me. Anyways, that's it for this video. I just need all your feedback on these because I love the ease of them. They went on so easy. But, you know, and they're about the same price. I would not be able to get, I would be able to get 4 sets if I did them all like this one with the one long, was it one long? It was 2 longs and 1 medium and 1 short. And it actually doesn't look much different, I don't think. I guess the long does look a little different. I don't know, you guys tell me. Does it look that much different? I actually think this one looks better. Put it in the comments, please. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you want me to show you how to make these tattoos without this blender. I showed you how to make the blender already, so, you know, you got that for free, right? Anyways, also, if you're gonna do these, if you're gonna, we freehanded it, she freehanded it. I say we, I sat still. And she freehanded it, and she used a, she was using this eyebrow pencil, and it was not working because it's too waxy and it kept breaking. Since then, though, I have found the perfect one, and I sent her 3 of them. I covered it up with my napkin, my Kleenex. It's the Revlon Color Stay Micro Hyper Precise Gel Liner. And this thing has the tiniest little black line. It is so perfect if you are going to make henna tattoos, and you're not doing like the Mendy stuff. You're just wanting, like, we copied one of those temporary tattoos that you get and you put, you know, you put them on and then you put a paper towel over them, wet paper towel, and then they come off and then they're there. That's what I used. A picture of that is what she drew, because those don't last, you know, those are for kids. Well, actually the ones I saw were on Etsy for adults, but I wanted something more. And so, but she copied that. And so let me show you how tiny, get out of the way thing. Oh, look at those veiny hands. Okay, we'll go over here and you can see this tiny little thin line. See how thin that is and creamy? And if you make a mistake, you just erase it. It just wipes right off. Oh, I didn't wipe off. Anyways, I did it with a Q-tip. Just I spit on a Q-tip and wiped it off, and it came right off. It's not coming off now, but that's because I'm trying to show you how easy it comes off. But see, if you use a Q-tip, it comes off. I got half of it off just with that. And that's what she did. She had it, and that's what she was using to, like, if she was drawing and she didn't like the way that looked, she'd just take it and wipe it off. And then when she got done drawing the whole thing, she took the henna, the hagwa, and just drew right on top of it, and it was perfect. It was so good. I couldn't believe it myself. I couldn't believe it. She told me that she could do it freehand, and I'm like, okay, whatever, you know. And she did so good. She is so good. That's why I bought 3 and sent them to her, because I thought, you need to do this for a Renaissance festival or something, because I saw her that she had done some on her brothers and sisters, but they were like flowery things. They were more Hindi type things, and so I didn't know that she could draw that good, but she did amazingly. And her Instagram is, I don't know what it is, miasmiraclework, something like that. Anyways, she's great. I love her. I will put her Instagram down there if you want to go look at her stuff. She does a bunch of crocheting. She's a tiny little thing, you know, one of those make you sick girls. But I love her because she's mine. And she's only 16, and she sells these crocheted outfits, and she does this stuff, and she does some, oh, she does hair. She does hair too. So, and then her sister does nails and lashes. They are just entrepreneurs, and her sister's 13. Yeah, they are special. Anyways, I will leave all that down below if you want to contact them, or just look at their Instagrams, or if you, and I want comments on these lashes, because I'm thinking that I like my other ones better. But I do love these, like, in a pinch, because they are quick and easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. I was going to take these off. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!